If you are buying a home right now, you haven't asked a specific question to your builder, you are taking biggest risk of the entire purchase without even realizing it. It's not a view or amenities or clubhouse. The real question is what construction method is being used by developer. Imagine two residential apartment projects constructed right next to each other, same location, same budget, same year. Project number 1 is constructed using the conventional method, the same construction method our parent generation used. In this type of a construction, we construct column or pillar. For a construction of a pillar, first we do steel reinforcement, then we cover it with wooden frame, and then we pour cement and concrete mixture, and after that we connect columns with the beam, and gap between the two pillars we fill with bricks in North India, and we use hollow block or solid block in South India. Project number 2 is constructed using complete different method where the entire wall is constructed in one go. First, steel reinforcement work is completed for every wall in your house, and it's covered with aluminium shuttering material, not like a wooden frames, which is uneven and not uniform. And after that, cement and concrete mixture is poured with boom pump. Unlike conventional structure, we are not using manual labor to pour the concrete. In this construction, every single wall of your house act as a pillar, meaning house is much more stronger. This is called monolithic construction, more commonly known as Maivan construction in real estate industry. 20 years later, residential project number 1 has visible air cracks, seepage and leakage issues. Project number 2, which is constructed as Maivan buildings, looks new after 10 to 15 years, and it do not ask for wear and tear and lesser maintenance. If you observe both the projects, same money, same location, but completely different outcome. Let's understand conventional method of construction first, because this method has built almost every Indian city. Column or a pillar constructed first, then the gap between the two pillars filled with bricks or blocks one by one. The biggest advantage of conventional method of construction, home constructed with this technique stay cooler. Every brick or a block used in this construction has tiny air pockets. Those air pockets act as a natural insulation. This is why if you pay a visit to your grandparents' old house in a Bangalore or Hyderabad, it will always felt cooler than the brand new apartment constructed recently. But here is the problem. This method has massive dependency on human being. Let me give you a simple example. You want to stitch your shirt? If you hire 10 different tailors and give all 10 the same fabrics, same pattern, and ask them to stitch the same shirt, you will get 10 slightly different results. Some will be tighter, some will be looser, some may be perfectly fine. That's exactly what happened in conventional construction. Every wall is constructed by different worker on a different day with a different skill set. A typical observation shows that in conventional method of construction in India, brickwork quality can vary floor to floor simply because how many human hands are involved with the construction. As you have multiple joints on this construction and you are completely dependent on your worker working that day, chances of human error are really high. Every joint between every brick or blocks also a potential gap for air, and in future you may observe air cracks or leakage or seepage issues are coming. Reason is very simple, because of heavy dependency on human being, and every brick when you join with a cement mixture, air gap created. This air gaps comes out over the years. Now let's break down monolithic construction, or commonly known as Maivan construction. Think about how the slab of your house is built. Steel goes in, concrete is poured, and the entire slab becomes one solid piece. Now imagine doing that not just for the slab but for every wall of your house. every single wall has a steel inside, concrete inside, and the mixture of concrete and cement is poured as a one continuous structure. Let me explain this with a very simple example. In a typical 1600 square feet, a 3 BHK constructed with conventional method, you have somewhere 15 to 20 major column or pillars. Those 15 to 20 columns are the only thing holding up your entire load of apartment. Even if one of them is compromised, your structural safety is compromised. In case of Maivan construction, every single wall act as a pillar because every wall of your apartment has a steel inside. Every wall is made as one connected unit. Maivan construction has lot more advantages. Let me explain one by one. First, Maivan construction comes with zero joints, means zero entry points for air cracks, seepage or leakage. That itself alone solve one of the most common complaint Indian buyers face, seepage and leakage, especially after 8 to 10 years of handover. Maivan method of construction offer faster construction timeline. In this method, developer utilize more shuttering materials and complete internal and outer wall in one go. In this method, you are not depending on a human being. Use of a crane and machineries has increased and cement is poured with a boom pipe. So it's much more faster and quicker and no plastering required and far lesser labor's dependency, which directly means less risk of project getting delayed. Just to give you understanding, with Maivan construction, complete internal and outer wall can be completed in 21 days, unlike conventional construction of method where your pillar and slab is only getting constructed in 40 to 50 days and even sometime more than that. Maivan construction offer more consistent quality and uniform finishing across every single floor because the same aluminum shuttering material is used on every floor. Maivan construction is more earthquake resistance because in case of earthquake you may observe building swing little bit because every wall is constructed with a steel, unlike conventional method of construction where you have dependency on few pillars. Chances of building collapsing is more with a traditional way of construction. Maivan method of construction offer more usable carpet area because wall constructed with this technique can be thinner than the conventional brick walls. But do not get worried that your wall is thinner than the brick because every wall of your house you have a steel inside, so you actually get more carpet space for the same build-up area. If you have seen building with the conventional construction method, you will observe sometimes pillars are coming in between and creating a dead space. And trust me, that is not the case with the Maivan construction because your house is constructed in one go as a one structure. As your building is taking lot more time for aging and not asking repair cost for years, you will observe building is not getting into saturation fast, meaning high resale value, lesser maintenance, lesser wear and tear cost. A conventional building may start showing aging signs in 15 years. A Maivan building maintained properly comfortably push the number beyond 30 years. Now we have spoken about good part of Maivan construction. Let's talk about demerits what comes with Maivan construction. Biggest downside of Maivan construction is poor thermal insulation because concrete and steel absorb the heat much faster than the bricks or blocks. So, a Maivan constructed apartment, especially without proper external insulation or heat reflective paint, will be hotter than conventional brick home in the same location. Second biggest downside of Maivan construction is zero design flexibility, zero modification, because you are constructing every wall as a one structure and construction is happening in one go. You cannot break it. If you would like to design your house as per your convenience, then it's really difficult with the Maivan construction. For example, suppose you want to extend your kitchen by knocking off the wall, it won't be easy with the Maivan construction. If you compare merits and demerits of Maivan construction, merits overpower, and that is the sole reason in the last 20 years most developer and home buyer are buying a home which is constructed with Maivan construction. For a developer, the benefit of this construction is faster handover time and developer is able to maintain the quality of construction. Finishing of the wall is uniform. Because of this construction construction technology, projects which are 150 acre or 200 acre are getting completed in just 5 years. For example, Prestige City. But it's not necessarily the right construction for everyone. Here is the simplest answer that I give it to every customer who asks me which construction quality I should choose. If you are building independent house or a villa or a custom home where you want lot more modification, then you should choose conventional method of construction because it gives you flexibility, natural cooling and typically lower cost of construction. But on other hand, if you are buying an apartment in a large gated community, choose a project constructed with monolithic or Maivan construction. If you have to go ahead with the new technology, new construction method, always choose Maivan construction. But before you choose anything, one question I want you to ask every builder where you pay a visit. Don't just ask, is this Maivan? Ask them, is the entire structure, inside wall, outside wall, everything is Maivan or just the outer structure? And ask one more important question, who is the contractor? Trust me, this question will give you more clarity on what goes inside your apartment walls. Do not get carried away or get happy after seeing the fancy brochure or the model apartment. Construction method isn't a technical detail. It will decide how fast your building will age. I am Sanjay Kothari from Value Per Square Feet. If you need consultation on biggest decision of your life, connect with us. Link is in the description. Fill the appointment form. Let's talk.